Good morning, third grade. Today I will be reading your Math Crunch number 6 for November 20th. Number 1. Choose the division equation that matches the picture. And you have 2 circles, and in each circle there are 9 smaller red circles. So you're going to choose which division equation matches. So division. That shortens your choices. Your choices are 9 divided by 18 equals 2, 18 divided by 9 equals 2, 9 times 2 equals 18, or 18 times 2 equals 9. Remember, you're looking for division, not multiplication. And when we divide, the biggest number is what we're dividing by. So you want the biggest number to always be first, okay? Number 2. Lily found 40 seashells. She put 10 seashells in each bucket. Determine how many buckets Lily uses. 4 buckets, 4 seashells, 50 buckets, or 50 seashells. Now listen carefully to that question. It's asking how many buckets. So our answer should be in buckets. All right, be careful. You want buckets as your answer. So what you could do is you can make groups of 10. You could put 10 circles in each group, and you'll see how many groups you get, okay, after you make all 40 seashells. Remember, your answer is in buckets. Number 3. Choose 2 equations that have a quotient of 5. And quotient is the answer to a division problem. So which 2 are going to equal 5? 0 divided by 5, 5 divided by 1, 40 divided by 8, 10 divided by 5, 20 divided by 5, or 70 divided by 10. You're going to pick 2 choices. Which 2 of them are going to equal 5? Number 4. Blaine makes an array with 12 red squares and 18 blue squares. He puts 3 squares in each row. Determine how many rows Blaine has in the array. So this one, careful, is 2-step. So first you want to put all the squares together. You're going to want to add the red squares and the blue squares. And then when you get your total, you want to make groups of 3. Put 3 in a row, then move down to the other row, make 3, down in the other row, make 3, and tell me how many rows he'll get. Is it going to be 20 rows, 30 rows, 10 rows, or 40 rows? Okay, number 5. Don't forget a DWB. Write and solve a word problem that involves dividing by 4. So you want to make a word problem that is dividing by 4, and then you're going to want the answer to that word problem, okay? Write and solve. Number 6, again, don't forget to complete a DWB. Use the table to solve part A and part B. So that table says field day activities. Your activity, we have a relay race, and there were 25 students in that relay race. There was a beanbag toss, and there were 18 students. In the jump rope race, there were 27 students. Part A, there are 5 equal teams in the relay race. Determine how many students are on each team. So I'm going to want to look at the total number of students for the relay race, which was 25. And there are 5 equal teams, so I want to put them in 5 equal groups. How many will be in each group? Part B, write a division equation that shows the number of students on the relay race team. So you're going to take that picture that you drew and you're going to put it into a division problem. You have your 25 total students and you're breaking them up into groups of 5. So you have 5 students here, 5 students here, and then you keep going until you get to 25. And how many groups there are would be your answer. And that would be it. Good luck, third grade.